I'm being this bitch cold.
Better keep it calm, my niggas on the purge. But never get shot, I don't know what you heard. Ray, Dad, Scott, Bird. He was driving my two knives, raising the curve. When I step in the stool, bitch, I'm putting it work. Try to push both, but you know I throw first. Yeah, I'ma start clicking, trying to leave him hurt. Come by kitchen, wanna get burnt.
Shot to shot, you know I go cool. Like, y'all niggas know what I do. Trapping all day, yeah, I'm writing that stew. Ayo, bro, that's a op, I'm fucking with the dude. When I up on y'all niggas, so y'all niggas flew. I'ma hop out the V and hit them in the shoe. I'ma out this pussy shit, ain't nothing new. I got your bitch, she eat me, she a smooch.
Up it, all these niggas better move. Ain't funny, dumb me some beam on the dudes. Fuck it, I'm clutching, put them on the news. Put a twitch on a bunker, trying to catch a coon. Both Daddy and Dot went out to their tomb. Yeah, bar two knocks when we walk in the room. O's, rub it to death off boom. Gotta keep this gun, cause my life I won't lose.
Pour that green, now I feel like Yoda. Stay double cup when I put out soda. Swap me up, I put him in a coma. I got that white shit, Coca-Cola. I pop out, then I cause a drought. So plain nigga, I don't need no clout. Do me a hit, then I chase a route. I hit your bitch, then I kick her out.
He was talking hot, so we ran in his mouth. Go with the knocked out slide to his house. Walking the spot while he fucking spouse. I need everything, all this shit going south. Niggas think I'm soft, show him what I'm bout. Gas, I'm quiet, I'm smoking out loud. Shut him at pants or bar, got scouts.
I pop out, nigga, with that Uzi. I got the gun to get punched out like Bruce Lee. I get no fucks, nigga, like I'm boozy. Turn him to a pack, we roll them in a loose leaf. Like, we roll that nigga in the wood. I get your PDO in your hood. I do what I want, nigga, cause I could. And that's what you did, I misunderstood.